Good morning, students. Welcome to our computer class. In today's class, we will start chapter 8, where we will learn communication through the internet. So let's start. What is internet? The internet is a worldwide network that connects millions of computers. It enables the connected computers to share information and services. The term internet means international network. It is an interconnection between several computers of different types belonging to various networks all over the world. It is a worldwide network of computers where more than a million of computers are connected with each other, through which we can share large amount of information and communicate with other peoples around the world. Connecting to the internet. To connect a computer system to the internet, we need an internet service provider, a telephone line, a modem, and a web browser. First, internet service provider, in short ISP. An ISP is an organization that provides internet connection and other services to the customers against some charges. Some examples of ISPs in India are BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Airtel, Reliance, and Vodafone. They provide telephone connection and internet connection. Next is telephone line. Without telephone line, we cannot get any internet connection. Means internet connection always comes through telephone line. A telephone line is a cable is used to carry telephone signals. Not always cable. Wireless telephone connection is also there. A telephone connection at home, schools or offices are set up with these wires or without wires. Next is modem. Is a device that connects a computer to the internet service provider. Cables are used to connect a modem to a computer. But here also not always. Sometimes we take wireless connection also through modem. This is a short form of modulator and demodulator. It is a transmitting device which converts digital signal into analog signal and vice versa. It is used to connect our computer to a telephone line. Telephone line always carries analog signal, but our computers are digital computer. Now when analog signal comes to our computer cannot understand. That's why modem converts these analog signals to digital signal, and again when we are sending any digital information to the internet, that time modem converts the digital signal into analog signal so that it can carry over the telephone line. Next is web browser. This type of software is used to open web pages on the internet. This software resides into our computer, means client computer, which is used to open and display web pages containing text, graphics, animation, audio, video files, and hyperlinks. It allows users to view and interact with the web pages. Some examples are Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox. Now, ways to connect to the internet. An ISP provides the internet connection that is fixed to a specific place such as a home, office or shop. There are two ways in which internet connection is made. One is dial-up, another one is broadband. Means dial-up connection and broadband connection. The following steps explains how this is done. The modem first is connected to the computer and the ISPs with cable. See, this is modem. It is connecting our computer with telephone line. Modem dials the number of the ISP for dial-up connection, not for broadband. When connection to the ISP is made or established, the ISP connects us to the internet. Now we can open web browser to open any web page, check our emails, browse, share files and so on. See, this is the diagram. My computer is connected to this telephone line through modem, and this telephone line gets internet connection from ISP, Internet Service Provider. Next, there is a difference between dial-up and broadband. Dial-up uses our telephone to connect to the internet. So we cannot use our telephone while connected to the internet. Means you cannot use your telephone to make a call to your friends. The speed of the dial-up connection is slow. Each time we used to connect, we have to dial the number of the ISP. All this takes up time. That is why this technology is outdated nowadays. Now broadband. Broadband has replaced dial-up technology because it provides high-speed internet access. We can check email and make phone calls at the same time. Means we can browse in internet and at the same time we can make phone calls also. Multiple computers can share a single broadband connection. That is the advantage. Next is wireless services. You must have heard the radio on your phone or FM. When you connect to a radio station, you are able to listen a program running on it. The radio connects you to the number of radio stations. The radio program reaches you without the use of wires, means wireless connection. Radio signals are carried by radio waves. This connection is set up with the help of antennas. This technology is called wireless technology. See, this is wireless Wi-Fi device which connects many electronic devices. Printer, modem, gaming device, card swiping machine, computer, laptop, etc. All these electronic devices are connected with each other using this central device called Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is a wireless technology that uses radio wave. It connects you to the internet without using any cable. Many devices share a single Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. This is a widely used communication technology that uses radio waves to connect electronic devices like phones, computer and other devices to share information. This you know. You must read this info box. A dongle is a small USB device that allows you to access the internet. It is provided by an internet service provider, ISP. Let's review, we will do afterwards, not now, after finishing this chapter. Then internet services. The internet connects computers in homes, schools, offices and so on. There are various types of internet services. One of the most important services of the internet is to communicate with others. Some other widely used internet services are www, email, chatting, video conferencing, social networking and e-learning. So we will learn this. This info box also you have to read. Searching for information on the internet is called surfing. That means whatever we are searching in different websites using our web browser is called surfing, net surfing. The first service, www, is very important. The World Wide Web is a huge collection of web pages. A web pages contains text, pictures, audios, videos, hyperlinks and so on. We can search for any topic to get information. The World Wide Web is popularly known as in short web. This is actually a collection of websites resides in different web servers, and these web servers are connected with each other and spread across the internet. www was actually developed to provide easy access to huge information stored in the form of web pages, and all these web pages are linked with each other. That means www is a network in internet which provides all kind of information. This info box is also important. The Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of World Wide Web. Next, email. A message that is sent and received through the internet is called email. Message, no, actually mail. Email stands for electronic mail, not ordinary mail. We can send text documents, pictures, music, videos along with an email. It is the fastest way of sending mail. You can send an email to a number of people at the same time. Some websites that provides free email services are Gmail, Yahoo, Reddit Mail, etc. Means actually email or electronic mail is a process of sending and receiving messages electronically using computer or other electronic devices over a computer network or internet. Email is the most widely used feature of the internet to send email messages to any part of the world. This is the advantage. A fraction of a second the email can be sent to any corner of the world. And we can send any type of information with the emails. We can send text, picture, audio, video, animation, even software through email. To send email, we must have an email address. All of you know because you are always using your email address at the time of giving your online test or exam. Here also one info box is there. The first email was sent by Raymond Samuel Tomlinson in 1971. No need to remember this. This is for quiz. Then chatting. Online chatting is the type of communication in the form of short type messages. It is also called instant messaging and is similar to the short message service, that is SMS. Some online chat softwares are Google Hangout, Live Chat, Pure Chat, etc. Chatting means through typing we can gossip with our friends. You must have done that. And last one is video conferencing. Let us consider the following situation. Students are attending a lecture being delivered by a teacher in another country. Second, people from different cities are taking part in a meeting. They are doing this without leaving their cities. A surgeon is guiding an operation in different part of the world. News channel broadcasting a news report. All this is possible due to the video conferencing. So video conferencing uses computers to create a video link. The link can be made between two or more people at the same time. Video conferencing saves travel cost and time. Some video conferencing softwares are TrueConf and Meeting.io. Google Meet also we know, Zoom also we know. Nowadays we are using Google Meet and Zoom to conduct our online classes and meeting live classes. So you are very much familiar about this video conferencing. Means at the time of chatting, at the time of talking, we can see each other if our video is on in laptop or if webcam is installed in our machine. Through mobile also we can do this. Today up to this much. Let's review we will do after finishing this chapter. In our next class, we will try to complete this chapter. So I hope you understood this. You must read this much in your home thoroughly line by line. See you in our next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.